What if I told you that these websites can be made without even knowing how to write a single line of code? The world of AI development allows creators to generate professional-looking websites effortlessly now. By leveraging these 3 AI tools, you can create a website valued at $20,000 in just under an hour. In this video, we'll break down the process and the steps for creating a website, as well as how to go out and sell it. So the first website is called Reloom, which is a powerhouse for sitemaps and wireframes. So a sitemap is basically a quick outline of all your pages on your website, while wireframes are layouts of sections for each page with real-time adaptation. So the first example I'm going to do is a branding and creative marketing agency called The Branded. So I'm going to hit generate, and it's going to bring us to the sitemap page. I'm going to generate my sitemap, which is going to give me everything that a website needs, all the basic necessities, just from the prompt that we provided before. So as you can see, we have our About Us, Services, Portfolio, all that jazz. And the next page is our wireframe, which is the info that's going to be on each page of the sitemap that it provided for us. So as you can see here, all the copies provided on each page, we didn't have to lift a single finger or type anything other than our prompt. Obviously, this is all generated by AI, so you can go ahead and tweak all the copy according to your actual brand. Once you're happy with all your copy, you can go to the top right and hit export. And today we're using Webflow, which is the next tool in our guide. So you want to go ahead and create the style guide, and it'll clone it on Webflow. So you want to go ahead and hit create site. You can rename it whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it as is, and it'll redirect you to the website where you can start the next step of the process. If you're wondering what Webflow does, it's actually a versatile no-code website builder where you can just drag and drop and customize without writing any code, and style integration to maintain a consistent look and feel across your website. So the style guide from Reloom will be transferred to Webflow, which is your starting point for your project. Go to your wireframe, hit the 3 dots, and copy the style guide and paste it into your Webflow project. You want to delete this section here and just put it on the body section of the website. And as you can see here, it transferred the whole wireframe, and now it is able to be customized with any element that we want, from pictures, colors, text, anything. So the third tool is Spline, which is a 3D collaborative design tool. So this allows for 3D object integration, allowing to easily add 3D elements and customize animations and exporting them directly onto the website that we've created on Webflow. After registering and creating your account, you want to go to the community tab to find user created projects, which you can take direct inspiration from or just add it directly onto your own website on Webflow. So this one is the animated shape blend, which I found really interesting, and I want it to be on my website on the homepage. Go to Remix so you can adjust it according to your brand. Go to Export, hit Viewer, and go to Play Settings. And this is where you can adjust your animation settings according to what you like. So if you want, you can play around with it, but I'm just going to take the background color away and update the viewer, which will update my link depending on what options and changes I made. Go back to Webflow and hit Add Element. So you can actually add a spline scene, and you can easily just copy and paste the link that you just got, and your new 3D element will be integrated directly onto your website. So I'm going to hit preview to see what it's like, and as you can see here, it interacts directly with the cursor on the website, which is super cool. And I didn't have to do any 3D or visual design, nothing. All I had to do was go on Spline, find a project, customize it, and copy and paste it on. But if you want to adjust it even further, go back to your viewer settings, go to Play Settings, and go ahead and make your changes, but make sure you update the viewer before going back. Get the link and repaste it onto Webflow. So as you can see here, I'm going to go back here, go to Settings, and then just basically update the link. And you can see the background color is back. So successfully selling a high value website is as crucial as building it. So here are some strategies to attract clientele willing to invest in your services. So you can create a portfolio website to showcase your work to portray professionalism and attract clients, or you can also identify potential clients using tools like Built With to find companies with older websites that could benefit from an upgrade. Focus on businesses earning over $1 million a year. To successfully pitch your services, present a sitemap generated via Reloom and demonstrate a wireframe outlining potential layouts in mere moments. Establish rapport by being proactive in discussions about their needs. And by following these strategies, you not only enhance your credibility, but also take significant steps towards closing deals on website projects. So that's how you can build a website and sell it without writing a single line of code using only AI. But if you want to learn more ways to make money using AI, check out this video here, where I show you how to make viral UGC videos without showing your face on the camera and just using AI-generated avatars. Thank you so much for watching.